So here is a secret to my glowing beautiful skin. Welcome you all to my channel. In case you are new here, you are welcome. In this channel you will learn so many beauty tips, health tips that will help to transform your skin greatly. So consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos you get notified. So here is a mixing bowl. So the first ingredient I'm going to use is milk. This is milk powder that contains lactic acid that will help to lighten pigmentations, dark spots. If you have keeping your skin very smooth, fresh, and also controlling wrinkles from your skin, and also helping to control wrinkles. So I'm going to be adding the right quantity. Half tablespoon is enough. So next one I have here is moringa. Next ingredient I have here is oat powder or oat flour. If yours is not in a fine powder like this, turn it into a powder form by using your blender. Oat powder is a very powerful wrinkle remover, keeping your skin well supple. Like if you have a dry skin, this will help greatly. Helps to exfoliate the skin to get rid of dead skin cells that makes your skin looking very dull. The result is going to give you a glowing, beautiful skin. 1 tablespoon of oat powder is enough. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. And the next one we have here is moringa powder. Yes, moringa powder is gotten from the moringa leaf. If you have the leaf, just wash it thoroughly. Then you have to dry it. After drying it, you blend it, turn it into a powder form, and you get your moringa powder. So moringa powder is very important for the skin. It contains antioxidants, 5 signs of aging, removing wrinkles, fine lines, making sure you have gray skin. It penetrates into your skin to nourish and protect your skin from dryness or any other skin problems. Helps to treat acne, absorbs so much oil from your skin, keeping your skin looking flawless all the time. So this is a powerful treatment for you. Half tablespoon is enough. Okay, half tablespoon of moringa is enough. So the next one I'm going to add is yogurt. So make sure you get yogurt, a plain one with no sugar added. But if you have a sweetened yogurt, no problem. Sugar is also very good for the skin. Like when you apply it on the skin, it's going to help greatly. So yogurt here contains lactic acid as well, just like milk, but it contains more of nourishing properties that will help to make sure your skin is looking the best. I'm going to be adding little by little until my treatment forms a thick paste. Instead of water, add yogurt the way you want. So if you do not have yogurt, you can go ahead and do with just the milk. Then add plain water, ordinary water, to form a thick paste. This is a very easy way to get younger skin, to have glowing skin, to get rid of dark spots, pimples, making sure your skin is glowing beautifully. For those that have a dull skin, this treatment will help to keep your skin brighter, like glowing beautifully. After mixing all the ingredients together, making sure everything is smooth and there are no lumps in it, I'll show you right now how to apply it on a wet clean skin for best results. So this is one of the secrets to a beautiful skin. Like your skin is just going to be glowing and glowing and glowing. So moringa is very powerful, like moringa powder. Try it on your skin and you will love the result. Moringa is not only for weight loss, it's not only for detoxing, for flushing out, toxins from the body. It will as well help to keep keep your skin looking very clear, like taking care of skin problems like pimples, acne, unclogging pores, and many more. If you desire a clear, beautiful skin, you also need exfoliating ingredients. Rice powder, oat powder, baking flour. They help to scrub out dead skin cells from your skin, leaving your skin so beautiful. If you apply your usual lotion, soap, after facial mask or facial scrub, you see that they will be working better because your skin is already, well prepared for it. So what you have to do after washing off all makeups and dirt, as you can see, I'm going to make use of a brush, or you can use your hand to apply it. Apply upwardly. So you have to apply under your eyes to take care of, eye wrinkles, and to make that area not to dry out. This treatment already has moisturizing ingredients in it. Anytime you're making use of a facial mask, do not apply it on your eyebrow. This is important because you don't need to lose your hair, okay? It gets rid of facial hair. So that is why it will leave your skin very smooth, removing anything hairs, penetrate to unclog pores, making sure your skin is clear and glowing, like so beautiful. So why you should apply on your face and your neck at the same time, so that everywhere will be uniform, making sure they are even. So just use it to take care of your pimples. You won't have pimples. This is medicinal, at the same time beautifying, okay? So use it to take care of skin problems and you will love the results. You can also apply it on your hand, okay? Like here, to take care of dry ends or to remove wrinkles on your hands. So after that, we have to leave it on for 15-20 minutes. So I'm going to leave it on, as I said, for 15-20 minutes. After that, I'll wash it off. I'll be right back. After washing it off, if you notice that your skin will be smooth, fresh, like the yogurt is amazing. The yogurt and milk is amazing. Your skin will be so beautiful, flawless, so beautiful. So just apply this treatment every day if you want, every day if you want, 3 times weekly if you want, for best results. Store the remain in the fridge for maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, you wash it off. Make sure you follow up with a light moisturizer. Apply it. Use this treatment, most important, every night, okay, before you go to bed, and you never regret it. To achieve a beautiful skin, use this treatment, okay, and you will love the results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.